Hello everyone, my name is UnrealEngine. This is Prohibition Vibe. I'm indie game developer working with UnrealEngine. Here I share my development process and some philosophical reflections along the way. Today I will show you how to implement quick casts, a working improvement feature, time-saving feature, and plus smart optimization. So let me show you. Okay, so for example, we all use like the necessity, like we have like our custom player controller, game instance, game state, and game mode. And every time we need to get the information, we do like the cast. We type player controller, get our HUD, base HUD, we cast to our HUD, we cast base game instance, custom, and blah blah blah, the same stuff. So instead of making all this over and over again, I made like this cluster of the functions. Basically, this is like the same thing. We just do base class, get base class, cast to it, and get the reference. And basically, I made the same thing for each component. I made like specifically the separate blueprint function library. I made this because of the memory consume, hard and soft reference. So basically, when we do like the cast and we implement, we call this function in some sort of like the place. For example, actor, you create an actor, this actor does something and you get like player controller. This automatically consumes like the memory, this loads into the memory, everything with what like work the player controller, for example. So we got like our memory usage, we got like the reference to our from our actor to reference to other stuff. So like if our player controller control like the character, our actor will now have like the information about the character, and this is like the waste of the memory. So basically I split them into like the different categories in order to not, like, for example, if I work with player controller, the actor will not get information from the HUD, for example. So this is like the life improvement feature. So, and basically that's it. And how to create this thing? So basically go to like blueprint function library, blah blah blah, and name it somehow, and create the function. Get blah 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 blah, and we something like get player controller cast bp player controller, and we eventually got like outputs, create something like really quick. Here we are, and we got like function blah 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 blah. So, and we can use the compact node tile, for example, here, compile, and we are ready to go. Get player controller, call our function, and this is our like super function. Oh yes, we can make it pure to have something like this. Basically that's it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. This is like the Positive Vibe. My name is Sergey Lizhnevich. I develop the game live on streams, and if you would like to be the part of the process, I would be glad to have you there. Okay, thank you and bye.